Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're discussing common pests and diseases that affect leaf lettuce and sharing organic methods to control them. Let's dive in. Here are some common pests and how to manage them. First, aphids. Control them with water and mild soap or beneficial insects like ladybugs. Next, slugs and snails. Use organic slug bait, beer traps, or hand-pick them. And finally, caterpillars. Use Bacillus thuringiensis, or beat, or handpick to control caterpillars. Common diseases include: first, downy mildew. Prevent it with good air circulation and early morning watering. Next, powdery mildew. Treat it with neem oil or baking soda spray. And finally, root rot. Avoid overwatering and ensure proper drainage. Prevent issues by rotating crops, keeping your garden clean, and using companion plants like garlic and chives to deter pests. Using these organic methods, you can keep your leaf lettuce healthy and productive. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy gardening!